Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I am back with another video. I will show you how to choose the right microfiber cloth for cleaning your car application. So let's start the video. Now there are several types of microfiber cloth. Now let me tell you one by one what are its uses and what should you choose for and for what application you will be using these microfiber cloths. So the first one is this type of microfiber cloth. This is a very light one and very soft. It is around 300 to 400 GSM, and this type of microfiber cloth is best for your polishing jobs where you need a light cloth and need to buff it. If so, for those type of purposes you should use this type of cloth, which is very much suited, and I am using this type of cloth for a long time and I have got very good results. In fact, if you see my polishing videos, there you will find this type of cloth. So I will give you all the links so that you can easily purchase this from my link. So this is for your polishing needs and I will give you the link. This a little bit thicker, and this is the one I have purchased from Amazon Basics. This is also a very good cloth, but this is of shorter size, and this type of cloth you can use both for polishing and also cleaning the interior part. Like these areas you can clean very easily and it will absorb all the dust, as you can see, without giving any scratches or anything like that. So this is best suited for cleaning your inner car areas. So these are the Amazon basic type. This is also of light GSM, and this works very well in those type of applications. The next is the Waffle type of microfiber cloth, and this is very useful for cleaning your glass areas. Let me show you particular glass cleaner and I will show you how it works. So, and I will this cloth. You see how the result is. Absolutely streak free and clean glass, and you see it has absorbed all inside. So this type of waffle type microfiber cloth is very useful for your cleaning glass areas. Let me clean the entire glass very fast. As you can see how easily we can clean with the help of this type of cloth. So this is very useful to clean your glass areas. So you see how easily we can clean with the help of this type of cloth. So when you need to clean all the glass areas, you should definitely go for the waffle type of microfiber cloth. Now my next cloth is, this cloth is no more available in the internet online. It was a Goodyear around 800 GSM cloth. This type of cloth is very useful while you wash your car, because you need a microfiber cloth that can absorb as much water as it can. So it will reduce your labor work and you can easily wipe the car very fast. So it is quite worn now, so I have replaced with a new one. That is this ShineXpro, which I have purchased from Amazon, and they claim it to be a very good one. We will see the results also, what we get from this particular microfiber cloth. GSM, and it absorbs water very effectively, and this is the ShineXpro brand, and I will give you the links for this particular microfiber cloth also. And now I will demonstrate how it works. So Stay tuned, friends. Now let me spread the entire bonnet with shampoo water. I will give as much as possible. So it is absolutely wet. Let me show you how you can clean this particular wet area very effectively. So it is absorbing all the water. So it is absorbing all the water at one go, and it will definitely reduce your labor. Not only reduce your labor, it is very gentle and soft on your car body. So I have wiped off the entire water and shampoo water from the car body. Now I will just buff it off. Now I will just buff it off with the help of a polishing. Now I will just buff it off with the help of a light microfiber cloth, which is best suited for polishing. And now, as you can see, it is giving a beautiful shine and there are no streaks, no scratches. So the job is complete in the bonnet area. Okay, so I have demonstrated how you can easily clean your car with the help of a perfect microfiber cloth. So I think this video will help you how to choose your right microfiber cloth for the right application. So if you have liked this video, please give a thumbs up and do subscribe my channel for more videos like this, because your subscription gives me encouragement to make more videos for you. Thank you very much and goodbye.